name is Sarah. I am 32 years old. I live in a small house with my husband, Tom. We've been married for 5 years. I thought we were happy. One day, I was cleaning our bedroom. I found something under the bed. It was a small blue box. Inside, I saw pictures. Many pictures. They showed Tom with another woman. They were smiling. They looked happy. In some pictures, they were wearing wedding clothes. My hand started shaking. My heart was beating very fast. I sat on the floor and looked at more pictures. The woman was beautiful. She had long black hair and bright green eyes. They looked so happy together. I remembered Tom had been going away a lot. He said it was for work. He would be gone for 3 or 4 days every month. Now I knew the truth. He wasn't working. He was with her. I called my sister Jane. My voice was shaking when I spoke. Jane, can you come over? I need you. Please come now. Jane came quickly. She saw the pictures. She hugged me while I cried. What should I do? I asked her. You need to talk to Tom, she said. You need to know the truth. I waited for Tom to come home. Every minute felt like an hour. My stomach hurt. My head hurt. I couldn't eat. I couldn't think about anything else. When Tom came home, he smiled at me like nothing was wrong. He put his bag down and tried to kiss me. I stepped away. What's wrong? He asked. I showed him the blue box. His face changed. He looked scared. Sarah, I can explain, he said. How long? I asked. How long have you been married to her? Tom sat down. He looked at the floor. 3 years, he said quietly. 3 years? My voice was loud now. You have been married to another woman for 3 years? Her name is Maria, Tom said. I met her on a business trip. I fell in love with her. So you married her? While you were married to me? I couldn't believe what I was hearing. I know it was wrong, Tom said. I was selfish. I didn't want to lose either of you. Does she know about me? I asked. Tom shook his head. No. She thinks I'm divorced. I felt sick. All these years I thought I knew Tom. I thought he was honest and good. Now I saw that everything was a lie. Where does she live? I asked. In the next city, Tom said. About 2 hours away. That explained his monthly trips. He wasn't working late. He wasn't at business meetings. He was with his other wife. I trusted you, I said. My voice was shaking again. I loved you. How could you do this to me? Tom tried to touch my hand. I pulled away. Sarah, please, he said. We can fix this. Fix this. I laughed, but it wasn't a happy laugh. How can we fix this? You have 2 wives. You lied to me for 3 years, went to our bedroom. I started putting clothes in a suitcase. What are you doing? Tom asked. I'm leaving, I said. I can't stay here. I can't look at you. Where will you go? Where will you go? To Jane's house. Don't follow me. Don't call me. Tom watched as I packed my things. He kept saying he was sorry. But sorry wasn't enough. Sorry couldn't fix what he did. I called Jane again. She came to pick me up. Before I left, I turned to Tom one last time. I'm going to tell Maria the truth, I said. She deserves to know. Tom's face got very pale. Please don't, he said. You should have thought about that before you married her, I said. The next day, I found Maria on social media. I sent her a message. I told her everything. I sent her pictures of my wedding to Tom. I sent her our marriage certificate. Maria replied quickly. She was very upset. She didn't know about me. She thought Tom was single when she married him. We decided to meet. We met at a small cafe. Maria was crying when she arrived. I was crying too. We were both victims of Tom's lies. I'm so sorry, she said. I didn't know. It's not your fault, I told her. We both trusted him. We talked for hours. Maria told me about her life with Tom, how he visited her every month, how he always had excuses about why she couldn't visit his house, why they couldn't live together. What shall we do? She asked. I'm going to get a divorce, I said. You should too, Maria nodded. Yes. I can't stay married to him, not after this. We both filed for divorce the next week. Tom tried to stop us. He called and sent messages. He begged us to forgive him. But we stayed strong. The divorce took 6 months. It was hard. Some days I missed Tom so much it hurt. But then I remembered his lies. I remembered how he betrayed me. Maria and I became friends. We helped each other through the hard times. We understood each other's pain. 1 year later, I was having coffee with Maria. We were both doing better. Do you ever regret telling me the truth? She asked. I shook my head. No. We deserved to know. We deserved better than living in lies. No. Yes, she said. We did. I learned many things from this experience. I learned that love isn't always true. I learned that some people can lie very well. But I also learned that I am strong. I learned that the truth is important, even when it hurts. Today I am happy again. I have a new job. I have good friends. I am dating someone new, someone honest. Maria is happy too. She moved to a new city and started a new life. Sometimes I think about Tom. I wonder if he learned anything from what he did. I wonder if he feels sorry. But I don't want to know. That part of my life is over. I know now that it's better to be alone than to be with someone who lies. It's better to face the truth, even when it hurts, than to live in a beautiful lie.